Welcome back to Tip Tuesday. My name is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. Hope you're doing well this week. We're going to continue talking about things that you can do to maintain your home properly. Last couple of weeks we've been talking about spring cleaning. We've been talking about upkeep. We've been talking about restaining and clear coating your home, recaulking dovetails, just touch up things that you can do on an annual basis to keep your home properly maintained. One of the things I want to talk about today is when you install certain items on your house, for example, a power meter, if that gets installed directly to a log wall, it's really important that you fur that off with either a piece of sheathing, like a piece of pressure treated sheathing, but that you also flash in behind that. It's really important that you don't install something to a log wall that allows water to get trapped in behind it. So, for example, we have a power meter on our models here at our headquarters. We actually furred that out 3/4 of an inch with a piece of pressure treated plywood, and then we installed the power meter to that and then flashed over the top of that so that water would come off and actually divert away from the structure, and so that we didn't have splash going back into the log wall and water coming down behind the power meter and getting trapped. So I would encourage you to consider things, installing hose holders, or having a hose bib come through a subfloor as opposed to coming through a log wall. Make sure that anything that is affixed to the log structure, that it's properly sealed, that it's properly flashed, so that that doesn't promote water getting in behind it, which causes deterioration over time. So hopefully this has been helpful. I'm going to share a short image of what I'm talking about with regards to the flashing on the power meter. If you have any other questions about any of these items, feel free to call us anytime. In the meantime, stay safe and healthy, and we look forward to you joining us next week for Tip Tuesday. Until then, take care.